Hi everyone, my name is Juan David Silva. I'm currently studying bachelor's degree in foreign languages, and today I'm going to talk about the sounds we do in real speech. I'm going to explain the consonant sounds by places of articulation. So let's get started. I have created some charts and you will see the place of articulation, the consonant, the manner of articulation, the articulators involved, the example, and the example with a sentence. So let's start with the sound p, p, p. As you see, it's a plosive sound. You have to use your upper lip and lower lip. The example will be purpose, purpose. That was the purpose. Then we have the consonant b, 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 b. It's a plosive sound as well. You have to use your upper lip and lower lip. The example will be bag, bag. Bring me the bag. Then we have the sound mm, mm, mm. That's a nasal sound. You have to use your lips, but they have to be closed. The example will be mother, mother. She's my mother. Then let's move on to the labiodental chart. So let's start with the sound. That's a fricative sound. You have to use your lower lip and upper teeth. Friday, Friday. See you next Friday. Then we have the sound V, V, V. That's a fricative sound as well. You have to use your lower lip and upper teeth as well. The example will be view, view. I liked your point of view. Alright, so the next place of articulation will be dental. The first consonant will be the sound. You have to use your tongue tip and the upper teeth, and it's voiceless. As the word think, think. I will think about it. The next one will be almost the same sound, but it will be voiced. It's a fricative sound and it will be v, v, v. You have to use your tongue tip and the upper tip and it's voiced. The sample will be those, those. Those are my colors. Moving on, we have the place of articulation, alveolar. The first consonant will be t, t, t. This is a plosive sound. You have to use your tongue tip and alveolar ridge. The example will be time, time. We didn't have enough time. We didn't have time. The next one will be the sound v, v, v. It's a plosive sound as well. You have to use your tongue tip and behind upper teeth. The example will be they, they, they. How was your day? How was your day? You have to excuse me here. I wrote down who, but it's how. How was your day? Okay. The next song will be mm, mm, mm. That's a nasal sound. You have to use your tongue tip and alveolar ridge. The word will be now, now. Come here now. Moving on, we have the sound r, r, r. The manner of articulation is tap roll. You have to use the laterals of your tongue and hard palate. The word will be road, road, road. That's the road. The next one will be L, L, L. That's a lateral sound. You have to use your tongue tip and hard palate. The example will be low, low. We don't have low. Then we have the sound S, S, S. That's fricative. You have to use your tongue, but it's voiceless. S. The example will be sits, sits. Here in the S is the sound S, sits. I have 6 cards. The next sound will be almost the same, but it has to vibrate. Z, z, z. That's a fricative sound. You have to use your tongue, but it's voiced. It could be a short vibration, as the word lazy, lazy. You're so lazy. The next place of articulation will be the palatal alveolar. The first sound will be ch, ch, ch. That's an affricative sound. You have to use your tongue and hard palate. The word will be church, church. I don't want to go to church. Then we have the sound ja, ja, ja. That's an affricative as well. You have to use your alveolar ridge and tongue. The word will be job, job. I don't have a job. Then we have the sound sh, sh, sh. That's fricative. You have to use your front tongue and upper teeth. The word will be shop, shop. Let's go to the shop. Then we have j, j, ja, ja. That's a fricative sound. You have to use the laterals of the tongue and upper teeth. The word will be casual, casual. Here is the sound casual. It looks so casual. Moving on, we have the place of articulation palatal. The consonant will be ya, ya. That's the manner of articulation is approximate, and you have to use just your tongue. Yesterday, yesterday. I saw him yesterday. Alright, moving on, we have the place of articulation velar. The first one will be the k, k, k. That's a plosive sound. You have to use your back tongue and lips separated. The word will be kilo, kilo, kilo. Give me 1 kilo. The next sound will be g, g, g. That's a plosive sound as well. And you have to use the back of your tongue. The example will be got, got, got. I've got a new car. The next one will be the sound mm, mm, mm. That's a nasal sound, and you have to use the tongue and hard palate. As the word king, king. Here's the king. Then we have the wo, wo, wo. The manner of articulation is approximate. You have to use your upper lip and lower lip. The word will be window, window. Open the window. And finally, we have the place of articulation glottal. That's one of the hardest ones, so let's see them. The first one is the mm. It's a little bit hard to pronounce it, but let's see it in an example. It's a plosive sound, and you have to use your pharynx. The word will be button, button. Give me the button. You also can see it in words like certain, certain. Finally, we have the sound. As you see, it is voiceless, it's fricative, and you have to use your larynx. The example will be high, high. The airplane is high. Right? So that will be it in regards to sounds of speech in consonants. Thank you so much. Bye bye.